Hello, it's me, Flylady Kat, and this is the beginning of a collaboration for the month of February with my lovely friend Nikki from Inspired by Nikki. She is a beautiful videographer, so she's going to be doing the videos, and I'm going to be doing the speaking part. The name of my videos for the month of February is The Wisdom of Finally Loving Yourself. That's what mine is called. Hers is going to be called The Grace of FLY. Okay, so here's where we're going to start. This is day one. We're going to do 5 videos a week for the month of February. And it starts with cleaning your sink. That's where we always start with the Flylady system. So if you're brand new, we're going to start doing it by doing a deep clean of the kitchen sink. I know it sounds crazy when you have stuff everywhere that this is where you're going to start, but it is. It's where we start. So if you are a brand new fly baby and your house is just, then you've got dishes in the sink, what I want you to do is take them out and put them over on the counter. I want you to just clear your sink, whatever it takes. If you are a fly baby who's coming just to reboot, maybe you haven't done it for a while, and you know the system, then I want you to go ahead and wash your dishes up or put them in the dishwasher and get that sink cleared out. If you are just a current fly baby and just ready for a new deep clean of the sink, because every now and then we need to deep clean our sink again, then here we go. So we're going to start by emptying the sink and getting our cleaning things together. Now I have a stainless steel sink and I use bleach in it when I do this. Other people say that's not good, and that's fine. You don't need to comment about it, I know. So you get to use what you want. You may prefer vinegar. I use a cup of bleach. Here's what we do. We fill the sink with hot water. If you don't have a plug that holds the hot water in your sink, then this won't work. You'll have to go get one, buy one, and plug your sink up before you can do this. But you're going to plug the sink, fill it with hot water as hot as you can get it, and then pour in a cup of bleach, in my case, or a cup of vinegar if that's what you prefer, or whatever other cleaning things you want to put in it. You can put in there. It's going to all work. And then let it wait for 1 hour. The next thing you're going to need are rubber gloves, because we don't want to put our hands down in bleach especially, or any other cleaning products. So you put on your rubber glove and you open the drain and drain the sink. The next thing you're going to do, in my case, I use Barkeeper's Friend. It's something that you can, it's like Comet. It's an abrasive, but it's not abrasive. It doesn't scratch my sink up. But you can use Comet. You could use Barkeeper's Friend. You can use baking soda, something that's going to give you that little grit. It's not going to scratch your sink. Shake it in there. Take a clean sponge and wash, or a cloth, and wash everything really, really well. You're going to go around where the plug goes. You're going to pull that out and clean down in there really good. You're going to clean the actual basket or plug that fits in the hole that stops it up. You can clean that really well. An old toothbrush is another good thing to have on hand so you can get into the little crevices. You're going to clean the faucets, the handles, behind them, the edge of the sink. If you don't have a sunken down sink, you know, a lot of people now have, the more current ones are the sinks that sit under the countertop, so you won't have any edges. Mine is the old-fashioned kind. I have edges. You might want to take your toothbrush and clean the edges. Some people prefer to use a toothpick to go in there. That's what Flylady Marla Silly says. Some people can use dental floss to get around the faucet. We're doing some ridiculous deep cleaning here because you want to know that this sink is sparkling clean. Then you're going to rinse it. You're going to rinse it as well as you can without getting yourself up. Wear an apron. I suggest you wear an apron because it's going to be splashy. So you're going to put your apron on before you even start, and then when the hour's up, you're going to put your apron on, your gloves on, and go in and get to work. Then when you're done, you get it all rinsed. Then you're going to take a nice clean soft towel and you're going to polish it. You're going to dry it and then take another soft towel and polish it to a nice shine. If it needs to be a little shinier, you can put a little olive oil on a cloth and rub it in there and make it shiny. And that's your shiny sink. Now step back and look at that thing. It is shining like the sun in the kitchen. And now we want to begin the Flylady system. Okay, so what are you going to need to start? Again, you're going to need bleach or vinegar or some other cleaner, some type of a quote abrasive, even though I use non-abrasive, like baking soda or Barkeeper's Friend or Mrs. Myers makes one, or Comet or Ajax, whatever you choose to use. You're going to need an old toothbrush, perhaps a toothpick or a wooden skewer, maybe some dental floss, those are up to you, gloves, and an apron, okay? And this is going to get you the shiniest sink you've ever had. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, and this is the wisdom of finally loving yourself.